Philippines!
Good afternoon, everything. Good afternoon, guys. Oh, how you can take that?
The screw is just gone.
Oh yeah, that's the one that's gone, right? It's missing. Maganda yung panahon, guys. Maganda ang panahon
You
ngayon.
just have the plug to charge battery.
Yeah. Hi, Diam. You think you can go upstairs, huh? Maayong odto sa tanan. Good afternoon to all, guys. Kasi 12:03 na ng hapon ng langhali. Si Tami nag-change, inano lang niya yung ring doorbell. Kasi meron kaming bago na ring doorbell. And then ilang years na ito hindi niya ni-replace. Tinatago lang niya, sabi ko. Yung ring na yun is siya, parang black and white na yung, for some reason, need resetting to reset the yung old ring doorbell. So, nilagay niya yung bago na hindi niya in-install ng ilang taon. Ito siya. Iba siya. Sobrang thin. At saka, they give us different, casing. May tatlong casing. Off-white, dark brown, and black. But anyway, guys, wala akong ganap ngayong araw. Naglilinis lang ako sa bedroom. What happened? Huh? Where's the new one? Oh, may kasamang ito, pero this is separate. It says you can only do it like this in the whole hand.
No, that's what you want to do. So somebody can just rip it off. It's just retarded.
But there's not. Did you see a thing? You cannot even put it on the wall, screw, because it's nothing.
Right.
It's okay, Han. If they wanna rip it, they can just rip it. No one will do that here, honestly. It's ring over there, ring over in the other thing. Mine is not because I don't turn it on.
No, you have the motion off, but the ring should still work.
I'm gonna eat, Han. I decided to eat, okay?
Okay, yours should work, huh? You need to check that.
Hello, guys. Andito pa rin kami sa bahay. So, Tami is still niya sa ring. And kain lang tayo ng chicken broth and vegetables. 3 o'clock na, guys. Katatapos ko lang naligo. And almost, I think, let me see. Nanonood ako ng vlog ni Lyra. Si Lyra yung pinapanood ko palagi. Hindi ako nag-foundation, pero nag-lipstick ako dahil para hindi yung lips natin. Tapos na siya naligo, guys. Our doorbell is very noisy now. So we will be right back. You guys, you wait because we're just gonna be quick. And that's it. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. Tinitignan ko lang yung dito. Garden ko. Tinignan ko siya. Kailangan kong mag-add ng lupa. Kasi alam mo na. Lahat na lang ng table sa bahay dinala dito. Iwan ko kung bakit ang daming table na gusto niya. Kaya ang dami nakita ninyo ang dami naming side table sa office niya, mga 3. And then sa living room, 1. Okay. What? Your mask? You worked inside the house. Huh? It's in the house. In the counter. Bring one over there. Okay. I thought it was open. Did you hear that? Yeah. Always like that. That's what it's just. What does that mean?
Time for battery.
It's time for battery. What do you forgot? Siya sa loob ng bahay. Iwan ko kung Iwan ko kung nakalimutan. Maganda yung temperature ngayon, guys. Kanina, guys, is 65. And then ngayon, it is, well, it's 60. Sick. Oh, ang ring, another ring of Tami, guys, binigay sa akin. Look. Tika muna ha. Tinabi ko siya sa ano, sa wedding ring ko kasi yun yung bata pa rin siya, yung pinaka baby pa talaga, letter T yan, Tommy. So yun, kaya binigyan niya sa akin din. So what did you forget? Thing.
Yeah, it was another one.
Okay. Ito yung gawain ko, guys. Pina-follow ko lang siya. Sunod ako ng sunod. Dito tayo sa ano, car section. Sunod lang tayo ng sunod sa kanya. May hinahanap daw siya eh. Iwan ko kung ano. Pero yun.
Nice big fuzzy one.
Oh, Tammy, can you
Feel
get
nice,
this? Hello, I like this. This one is for your car. Go, bring it.
Yeah.
Hun?
Fun?
You have one. You have to pull it though. This is nice. Oh, look. This one right here. It's a nice geometry. I know, because you want to smoke.
Yeah.
Hello, the lipstick is gonna go down. Lipstick. Yeah. Okay guys, tapos na kami dito. Yung si Tami. Yun lang yung binili namin. Luckily, hindi bumili si Tami ng marami. So kaya, yun. Thank goodness it's not crazy shopping, ha? We get in there, we get out over there, right? It's over there. Yeah. Tapos na kami dito. And then, gustong kumain ni Tami ng cheese. Kailangan na talaga namin ng ano guys. Kailangan ko na ng battery. Kasi it's been 4 years na itong sasakyan. Walang battery. Kailangan na ng battery. And Tami have to buy a battery for this car and for the other car. That's what we need. And while na hindi pa namin nabili, he want to, I don't know why he want to buy another one instead me borrowing that thing.
What?
Jump start.
Because when I go to work, I need to have one with me.
Go to work. Before that happen, probably won't happen. It's probably we have a new battery.
It doesn't matter. New battery doesn't solve all the problems.
Ay, ay, ay. Sabi pa ni Tami, hala, vlog pa more. Kahit ano, vlog pa more. So, ito na lang yung kunin natin. Okay. Let's go. Sabi pa ni Tami, oh, it's already 6 o'clock. Sabi ko, yes, because we leave at 4 something.
No.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna go, but this is, you cannot buy a lot of this. You have
Well,
to
they
do...
didn't have the 16 pack, so I got 2 10 packs. Ready.
Here, is there anything I can do? Anything that you need?
No, I'm good, thank you. If you need anything, give me a shout.
Hi guys! So, gagawa po tayo ng garlic bread. Garlic bread yung gawin natin para magamit ng isa. Kasi Tami bites soup bread. At ito yung pinakagusto kong garlic bread.
Why is it no good?
It's no good because it's no good. So yun guys, you have to garlic. Depende na sa inyo if you really, Tami like garlic. So I put a lot of garlic, parsley, and then oils. Yun siya. And then food processor nyo lang siya. And then, after that, kay Laura Vitali kasi ito na recipe. So, this is what I always make kapag may party ang gustong-gusto naman nila. Basta, i-ano lang, garlic bread, Laura Vitali. Makikita nyo yun doon.
You get a mouse, right? Miss, you did not eat. Come on, eat your dinner. Well, you come looking for a bone when you didn't eat, you know that. Okay.
Leave my mess over there, okay?
What?
Just leave my mess over there. Okay guys, tapos na. Nagtapos na yung 10 minutes. So, kunin na natin siya. Kunin natin ang lahat sa akin. Wag lang si Daddy Delphine. Wag lang. Wag lang. Wag lang. What the heck? Why there's so many things going on here? So, ito siya guys. 10 minutes lang siya heat sa oven. So, i-open natin siya. Garlicky. It smells so garlicky, guys. So, ang gagawin natin is, meron tayong cheese dito, look. Meron tayong cheese. So, ito yun siya. Mozzarella, guys, ha? Oh, God. Ganun. Ilagay natin sa ibabaw. Matagal ko na itong ginagawa, guys. Nagpasalamat talaga ako kay Laura Vitali, charot. Kasi lahat ng tao, maraming nagkagusto sa garlic bread na ito. Hi guys! Meron po tayong i-ano dito habang magre-ready po ako. Meron akong i-address na kasi may nag-comment something. Hold on, let me see. Let me see kung makita ko pa yung may nag-comment kasi na you are very fortunate to have a platform showing people how you're living a good life and encouraging others in a positive way. You should find something to do for yourself also. Maybe take online class, online school, or anything constructive to improve yourself. Okay, okay, tama din siya. Pero you know what, hindi naman lahat pwedeng mag-study. Ako, pwede din akong mag-study, pero hindi ko yung pinipili. Hindi ko yung pinipili. Okay, may ibang tao na gustong talagang porsigido sa pag-i-study. Okay, sa pag-i-study, may porsigido, may ganun. Pero ako, hindi yan sa akin. Kasi noong unang panahon, porsigido ako, walang gumagastos. Kasi kahit dito, kung porsigido man ako, yung gastos pa rin is mahirap. Kasi hindi lahat libre dito sa Amerika. Mag-loan ka, kung ma-approve ka, mag-loan ka, pagkatapos bayad ka ng bayad. And then, basta ganun, hindi easy. Okay, so what happened here? So yun yung sabi niya. And then, may nag-comment si sis, Merit Vela. Sabi pa niya, disagree. I think she's doing very good job focusing on her vlog. I enjoy the vlogging. Okay, nag-enjoy naman ako sa vlogging. And thank you anyway sis. Thank you sis Merit sa sa comment. And yun, sabi pa niya, I think sa Amerika hindi sila impressed sa college degree because 80% of millionaires here mga self-made. Very true, self-made yung karamihan talaga. And most of them walang degree. College education. People here are not afraid to start a business or dream of success regardless what's their economic or educational background. They have a dream and they believe in the dream and they will do everything they can to achieve that dream. Okay, napag-usapan namin yan ni Tami tungkol sa ganung bagay. Kasi nga sa comment ni sis Merit Vela. Tama siya na lahat ng, dito kasi sa Amerika si Tami, hindi siya nakatapos ng college. Okay, si Tami hindi siya nakatapos ng college, pero nag-study siya ng college, okay. And then nag-stop siya kasi hindi siya sinuportahan ng magulang niya kasi di prioritize the girls. So, yung lalaki is hindi, iba din sila. And then yung time na yun, si Tami, wala siyang na ano, diba? So, yung mga natutunan ni Tami is self, ano lang yan, porsigido. Yun, porsigido siya na matutunan niya kahit hindi niya pinag-aralan yung mga ganun, electrical, water, whatever, like mga roofing, nagagawa ni Tami yung lahat, computer, lahat. Alam niyo si Tami, kahit ganun lang yung mukha niya, alam na alam niya yung computer. Kaya yun, kahit wala siyang natapos, walang degree na mga natapos niya sa mga nalalaman niya. Self-taught lang yung ginawa niya. Kasi makapagtrabaho ka guys, pero hindi totally mag-start ka beginning. Hindi ka tinitignan kung may degree ka o wala. Katulad kay Tami, naging manager siya sa hotel for a long time. Matagal bata pa siya, tinanggap siya. Dito sa Amerika, sabi pa ni Tami, at tama din yung sabi ni Sis Merit, na hindi ka kailangan ng degree. Maganda kung may degree kasi diretso yung ano mo, pero dito kasi hindi na talaga kailangan kung porsigido ka lang sa buhay talaga na makuha mo yung gusto mo, and din ipakita mo yung kung meron kang alam. Kasi doon kumpara dito at saka sa Pilipinas kasi hindi ka makatrabaho ng mga hotel. So dito, kung may kilala ka, ipasok ka, easy lang yan malalaman ganun. Doon sa Pilipinas, kailangan mong mag-hotel something, tiglaba, tigpilo, tig-fold sa room service. Dito, kapag may kilala ka, ipasok ka, malalaman mo, turuan ka, i-training ka. Hindi dito stricto guys. And hindi dito stricto. Ako, nakapasok ako. Ako, bobo. Masasabi ko talagang bobo kasi wala akong natapos. Pero kung pag-aralin mo ako, hindi talaga ako bobo. May utak din akong konti. Okay? Pero dahil wala akong nagpag-aralan, sabihin ko bobo ako. Yun yung ko palagi. I-share ko lang sa inyo dito, guys. Noon, hindi ako marunong sa computer, diba? Marunong ako sa computer, pero hindi talaga tutok na tutok. Yung ni Tami, pinasok niya ako sa dermatologist, sa derma. Okay, pinasok niya ako para mag-archive ng papel. And alam nyo, pagkatapos nun, ang sabi lang niya, yung may-ari, sige, hire kita. Ang gusto ko lang, meron kang laptop, alam mo yung Excel na program. So yun, hindi ko alam yung Excel. Paturo ako ni Tami. Porsigido ako guys kasi mahal yung oras. Kasi nasa derma kasi guys, mahal yung oras. 11. That time yung ko is 725 pa yung minimum talaga lahat. Kung saan ka pupunta, 725 yung minimum dito. And then dahil sa derma ka, computer yung gamit mo, ganun. So sabi ko talaga, so tinuruan ako ni Tami, ang dali kong natuto guys sa Excel kasi interesado talaga ako. So kung sa Pilipinas pa yon, hindi ka matatanggap kasi wala kang natapos, wala kang pinakitang So ako gusto, dito lang ako guys, masaya naman ako sa dito guys, na hindi ako nag-aral. Kung meron kang mapag-aral ka, kung meron kang gustuhin mo man, hindi gusto, go ka lang. Pero sa akin wala na guys. Wala na, ayaw ko ng ganun. Ayaw ko na maging man tayo. Ako, practical na tayo. Okay na ako. Masaya na ako sa buhay ko. Masaya na akong ganito. Hindi na ako nangarap. Alam nyo, yung mga ganun, good for you kung meron kang mga pangarap. Hindi ko man sinasabi na huwag ka nang mangarap. Mangarap ka pa rin. Ako kasi, ang iniisip ko, masaya naman ako sa vlogging. Pasalamat lang din ako na supportive yung asawa ko sa vlogging. Yun, supportive siya. Hindi siya nagagalit na may kita. Pero hindi katulad ng iba dyan, ganun. So, ang kaibahan lang doon sa Pilipinas is kailangan mo talaga magpakita ng papel. Galing. Natapos, look. Okay, yung look is once din yun, ang edad. Doon, ang edad yun, pinaka-big, din yung edad sa Pilipinas. Matanda ka na, ang daming mga katulad ng parents ko, kung gusto nila dito sa US, kung dadalhin ko sila dito, and then gusto nila magtrabaho as a bagger sa grocery store, matanggap yan sila guys, matanggap. Doon sa Pilipinas, wala. Binawaliwala yung mga yung may mga edad, wala, hindi ka makapasok, wala talaga iba. Dito talaga okay lang basta kay may ka lang alam. Yung edad dito, may mga matatanda na guys. At hindi lang yung may mga tatanda, may mga kapansanan pa. Yung mga kapansanan talaga guys. Bagger, mga ganun, sa grocery, mag-pack ng bag. Yun. na maano talaga. Like, oh my God, nakikita ko talaga. So, yun yung pinaka-ano dito. Tama si sis, ano talaga. Iba talaga yung mga tao dito. But anyway, guys. So, yun lang yun, guys. Salamat anyway. Thank you so much, sis Merit Villa sa pag-comment. Salamat sa mga, salamat sa inyo. And also, you know, ma-content natin. Yung mga comment ninyo na ganun. And salamat, naging meron tayong content. Thank you. Thank you. Ibalik natin siya sa oven. And then, bantayan ninyo guys, mga 20 minutes. Pero, bantayan ninyo siya kasi kailangan, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano na yung look niya mamaya. Yun na siya guys. Ito na siya. Look, sarap nito. I-cut natin yan mamaya.
But they are trying to make some money. They are questioning it. Yeah, because people will keep it easy. Project Veritas guys, they were exposed to the rate for everything. You know,
Yung pork. Ito yung dinner. Garlic bread. And rice. And then, at saka ininit ko yung pagkain ni Tami. 10 o'clock na, and then manonood sana kami ng Snowpiercer, pero wala silang show. Walang, oh my God. Hi, good night, Misty. Tignan nyo guys, natutulog na siya guys. He said, you're the first one went to bed. You're the first one that went to bed. But anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. My monkey is very early in bed. Yes, you are. Yes, the monkey is early. Oh, baby. Night, na. You're such a good girl. Ay, let me see. Let me see. Everything is good. Everything is good. Everything is good with my little girl. Everything is good with my monkey. My little monkey on earth. Anyway guys, good night guys. Matulog na kami guys. Busog na busog ako guys. Wala. Ay, tignan nyo itong mukha ko. Sobrang taba-taba ko na. So anyway, good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Thank you for watching.